All right, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold midweek analysis. Yeah. All right. So earlier on this week, I saw this move, which I told you is going to be a sell all the way to the downside, like this. Then we have a kind of triangle like that. Unfortunately, price take a turn and started going to the upside. Right? I saw this buy move that was yesterday. That was the only move I saw. So this last buy move, I saw it yesterday. And then I said, okay, price have to go into this zone and probably we will get some reaction to the downside. Emily says, good morning, Doc. Um, Rookie forever. It says morning, Sam. I don't know who that is, but I just mentioned my name. All right. So, yes, now we have this ABC structure. All right. And then this 5 wave to the upside. Yvonne from Nigeria says, good morning, Doc. So now we have these moves. We have these moves. So all this thing looks like a 3-wave and ABC correction. Just like this, 1, 2, 3, and price should go down. Okay, but gold currently is in a kind of a dilemma. If this sell takes off, it's going to be a very big sell just compared to that one. Okay, if this sell takes off, it's just going to be big compared to this one. But gold currently is in a kind of a dilemma. You can't tell the direction. You can't tell the direction, all right? But I am for this sell move. I am for this sell move. It can still go up, and then we get with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, and then with 5, and it will still go up because then this will be an ABC with the last leg, which is truncated. Okay, so A, B, and C with the last leg, which is truncated. So at this point, we can't say for sure which direction gold is going to go, but I will choose this direction. Okay, I will choose this direction. And if that is the case, we may get a move like this or we may get a move like this. One of them should play out right here. Okay, so this point we have to be very, very vigilant. We go both ways, buys and sells. We'll do both, right? If today is your first time, please don't forget like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that anytime I come live, you will be notified immediately. All right, so that's basically it. Somebody is telling me I can't find the link, so let me share the link with him. One second, guys. Okay. All right, that's basically it. Let's go. Let's go. I'm done, so let's go. Okay. So we have these two faces. We have these two faces currently has to unfold. We Ola from La. Okay. Ola, my man. My man. Okay. So this point is a little bit confusing and tricky because gold can just do a correction like this and then continue back up. Okay, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I was saying. All right, or gold will move to the downside. But before we will do anything, we have to then look into price a bit. We have to look into price a bit. And that is where we have to start all over. Yvonne from Kenya. Wow. Yeah, there's a Kenyan in the house. So let's go all the way. I haven't changed my count for some time now. All right. So we have this move, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed. Okay. And then we have these 5 waves. So this can be a whole 3-wave correction. And then we have this move. Okay, so the size of this to play out right here. Then price will start to go to the upside. This is 100% possible, and this is what I'm going for. All right, but with the current momentum in gold, gold is likely to continue the up move, and then everything will then change. We will go into the microscope to check. Everything will then change. This will be with A, this will be with B, and this is with C, which was truncated, and then we have with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5, like that. And then the cycle continues. This cycle continues. Okay? That is what is likely. Okay, that is the second alternative, the likely one to happen. Okay? But for this cell, that is what I am for. I am for this cell. All right? I'm for this cell. But you also have to be watching the charts. Watch the charts. Okay? Guys, if today is your first time, please don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification. So we have seen this move. We have seen this very move. Now we would start gradually downgrading the charts so that we can see what is happening. Okay, so we saw that here is a 5-wave, and that cycle was done. We had a 5-wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, finish, and then a 5-wave down like that, finish. So that is what we are talking about. This looks complete. Okay, just that the C leg was truncated. Okay, so we're still going down. If we would be convinced, all right, we'll be convinced that okay, there's something which is going to change about the waves. All right, so looking into the waves, you will see that there's nothing that it would convince us that okay, this thing should start going to the upside. Nothing is convincing. All right, nothing at all is convincing here, but this is where we will get it. This is where we get it. Okay, so from here, this is where we are going to get to be convinced that okay, something can happen. All right, something can happen. This is where we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move. Okay, usually we should terminate around somewhere here. Even here is fine. So that will be a 5-wave degree, and then price will start going to the downside. But price didn't go to the downside. So then it looks like this is a full degree wave, which is wave 1 of a higher degree. And this is a correction, which is wave 2. And then we would start, because if you watch the internal waves, you will start seeing it. This is what I'm talking about. The internal waves will start telling you, oh, that's the internal waves. Just watch here. So you see, this started with wave 1, this wave 2, this, sorry, how am I counting this? This wave 1, this wave 2, this wave 3, this wave 4, and then we completed. Okay, like undo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So we completed like this. And then we're having something like an expanded flat with a triangle like this. Then this can start going back up. Hey, Da Costa, Da Costa. Da Costa, Da Costa. Hey, my man. Zach Billions. Today, Zach Billions is here. Zach Billions is here. My man. Da Costa, good afternoon, wherever you are. I know Da Costa is in Russia, so yeah, it's Putin's day. Okay, so guys, you can see the internal wave to be 5. Okay, the internal wave to be 5, like with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5. Okay, then this with A, that is with B, and this is our with C, and this thing can start going back up. In fact, let's downgrade it even more to see what is happening. So this is where it becomes a little bit scary. A little bit scary. A little bit. It's not that scary. It's a little bit scary. All right. So we have with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, and then with 5. Then we have 1, 2, 3, and watch this. Watch this. You see this move you are seeing is exact move here. This move you are seeing is the same thing here. All right, let me show you so that you can see it. Douglas Asari, good morning. Good morning, Douglas. So we are going to look at that last one. Let's use the bars pattern. Oh wait, so we're going to use the bars pattern to do this very thing. Okay, so watch it. Just watch. Okay, let me make it a little bigger like this. And if you watch it, okay, if you watch it, you will see that it's exactly the same thing. The same move here is what is happening here. So they are just repeating the moves. Okay, so that's the repetition of the move. You can see clearly the same move, nothing has changed. See this leg, this 1, 2, 3 is that 1, 2, 3, like the same thing, nothing changes. Okay, this move, this one is that one, this one. Let me draw it for you to see. This one is this very one. Okay, you can see clearly they are just repeating the same thing. So after they are done with this 1 and 2, this 1 and 2, they did an up. They are doing the up. The same move. Nothing changes. Nothing changes. So they are just repeating the cycle. And if that is the same cycle, then we are dead, because gold is going to buy like crazy. Okay, it's going to buy like crazy. It's going to break all the tops, and then it goes. It will do like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Then the cycle continues. So for now, we have to be very, very vigilant. We have to open our eyes. No unnecessary moves here and there. All right, we have to open our eyes to watch. First of all, let's watch, because if you don't, you'll be trapped. And this is where a lot of you, with upcoming news, I also go with you on the sell. Okay, so that is fine, but the charts is what we follow. Okay, we are the students of the charts. So let's not, you can see they're still pushing, and they'll continue to push. Right, so let's keep our eyes open, because the move that you are seeing is right before your eyes. Right before your eyes. Right before your eyes. They will do the same thing. right? But I strongly think gold should sell. That is what I think strongly. Strongly, I think gold should sell from these levels. You shouldn't buy. But not forgetting that it has a potential of going to the upside. And if it's going to the upside, it's going to be crazy. Okay? Doc, you said the thing will sell and it is buying. I'm telling you there are two possibilities. Okay? So we have to wait for market to make the move first. So how do we attack the market? How do we attack it? We can attack the market when it pause and give us a correction. Then we can attack for a sell. Right now, it has already done the impulse. Right now, it has already done the impulse. So we can attack in the buy. Right? That's how we trade. So if you miss this, fine. Don't go up, because the higher you are going, it can do like this. All the higher prices can do like this. All the lower prices can do like this. All right? That's one thing some of you don't know about trading. In trading, every single move, if you want to take the buy move, buy at the lows. If you want to take the sell move, sell at the highs. Okay, so now it looks like they have started moving this move. They have done doing this move. That's what they are doing. Okay, so we have to be very, very careful. If you want to sell, watch before you take any kind of move. Bucci Motors, good morning. All right, guys. So today I've spent a lot of time just going into the microscope to show you what is keeping us a little bit scared because of these small moves. This one. Okay, that is what is scaring us. Aside that, to me, I think gold should start doing this. It should start like this. All right, expanded flats kind of stuff. So you should do like this, 1, 2, 3, like this. Okay, but we don't know. For me, I would wait before I will attack. I will always wait before I attack. So yes, it's your own strategy and your own call how to attack this market around these levels. All right, guys, until then, if today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you think gold is going to buy, tell me in the comment section why gold is going to buy. And if you think gold is going to sell, tell me in the comment section why, or you agree with me that gold will sell. Okay? If today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Dr. Mola, and we are out here.